I joined the European Pricing Platfom over 10 years ago, and I'm very pleased to be attending again now and seeing how it's developed and brought prices from around different industries together to continually to discuss and improve how pricing can be implemented within companies across the globe. I think automotive is an industry that needs to learn about how brand positioning. It's very, very important, and you take Apple as the example, they're known worldwide. They don't have the same prices, but they create the perception for the consumer that this is a good worth buying. And automotive companies also need to make sure that their brand is understood. It's the brand value that you are creating components for blue chip products, for the OEMs of Mercedes or BMW or Volkswagen, that is already set a strategy, that it is a high-end product, and by selling products that fit that particular vehicle, the customer understands what your product is, what the perception and value of it is, which will allow you to have much more control over where and how someone perceives I'm willing to pay for that product. And that the customer understands there is a cost to service. And in automotive, it's about really making sure that the distribution of the products is chargeable through the customer so that you can all make a margin. And that's where automotive will most definitely use a more B2C strategy, that they cover all the costs that they have in being able to promote the brand and get the right value that the customer is prepared to pay.